Hey guys, Mike here. This is the watch list video for Wednesday, November 27th. As I've been saying, I've expected it to be pretty dead, and it was. It was pretty dead today. Not a lot of movement. There seems to be maybe even better setups in after hours and pre-market right now, but it's a holiday week, right? The market's closed Thursday, closes at 1 on Friday. I expect it to be dead tomorrow going into the holiday, so, lower your expectations. I'm going to give a hat tip to, as I always do in these videos, Kevin P. VSEE, which ended up, having kind of an ugly daily candle, but as a day trader, he pointed out that it topped at 250. See, let me zoom in, be easier to see. On this candle, topped at 250, pulled back. And he typed something like, if it consolidates here for a bit, I like it over 250 with the next catalyst at 259, which I'll show you in a second. So then back through 250 right there. Worst case stop is going to go below the previous candle. So probably close to 50 cents risk, but you see what it did. It went over a buck. Let me back out now. And then real quickly show you the daily. And you see this high back here on October 21st, 259. That's what Kevin was talking about. When he said if it gets back through 250, the next meaning the next catalyst, potential catalyst would be 259, a break of this. And that's exactly what happened. It broke 259 and then went up almost another buck from there. So really nice post by Kevin P. If you're a day trader, good money to be had. I'm going to go right into, I had a couple pullback plays. But nothing really, I didn't play very well. And I think both of those are probably in the watch list. Let me just go into the watch list. IMG, massive volume, big pop, could have a follow through day tomorrow. Remember, we're day traders, so we look for stuff that could be in play the next day, right? DXYZ topped at exactly a whole number, which makes it kind of interesting, and it's an in play stock, topped at 47. So if we get through that tomorrow, you've got the day before that's high of 47.60. The day before that, I guess that's called yesterday. And then recent high of 50. So, but it's worth noting it closed way off those highs. So it's an in-play stock. We're going to watch it. BTCT did put in a green day today. Bounced here, basically where it bounced here, maybe a little higher. If Bitcoin can catch a bid, that's an interesting one tomorrow. Poet, P-O-E-T, nice move. Maybe a follow-through day tomorrow. Same with LX. ZENA had the big rip yesterday, and then the gap up today, which took some of the mustard out of it. But it's still an in-play stock, so we're going to watch it. And its sister stock, UAVS, same thing. TOYO gapped up today, sold off, but then ended up kind of climbing near the end of the day, so we are going to watch that one. Did it top out at a whole number? Topped out at $5.99. That makes it kind of interesting, too. SMTK also gapped up, sold off, but then it ended up closing pretty strong. PDYN, just a massive rip today. Definitely want to watch it, but it's really ahead of itself. HSAI had earnings, but closed well off its highs. QD, big pop, maybe a setup tomorrow. CDZI, same thing. RCAT has put in a couple red days, and it's been a red hot stock. So after a couple days pullback, and that whole space has been really strong. Going to watch that one. Possible bounce play in ZIM, 5 days in a row straight down after hitting new highs. So it's like $10 off those highs. Could certainly give a snapback bounce tomorrow. Same with MSTR down here to the 20-day after hitting $543. It's all the way down at 353. So that's a big fall. And then SMLR also was a crazy hot stock and now is back down to that buy zone between the 8 and the 20. I'm going to leave it at that, short and sweet tonight. I'll see you guys in pre-market. Hopefully some of you want to, if you want to, show up and help me build a gap playlist as well. All right, I'll see you guys in chat. Have a good night.